Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have a 2017 Yamaha SCR950 with just under 1,400 miles. Yes, 1,400 miles. She is in pristine condition. Well kept, indoor, heated garage. Very clean for its year. There's actually no flaw to be pinpointed on this bike. Engine sounds healthy, transmission shifts just like a brand new bike. Everything is about this bike is brand new. Super clean motor. Completely bone stock. Has a battery tender. Comes with one key only. $1,374 to be exact. That's all right. That's how bone stock exhaust sounds like. And for more details, visit us at hnhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.